Your Build Plans has created 3 simple building plan packages. Our budget package is suitable for customers who are happy to carry out their own site survey and gather all the measurements and information that we need to create the required building plans for your home extension or loft conversion project. We send you a survey pack which details step-by-step instructions and all the tools you need to gather all the measurements and information that we need. Carrying out the site survey is really simple, and we can even talk you through it. You return the survey pack to us and your completed building plans are with you within 15 working days. If you would prefer a professional Your Build Plans surveyor to carry out your site survey, then go for our planning package. Within 24 hours of receiving your instruction, your local Your Build Plans surveyor will be in contact to arrange a suitable day and time for us to carry out your site survey. Typically, your survey will be arranged for within 5 days, and we can even accommodate evenings and weekends. Again, within 15 days of your site survey being completed, your building plans will be with you, ready for submission for planning permission, or for a certificate of lawfulness if your project falls under permitted development. However, if you want all the professional services you will need for your home extension or loft conversion project, then go for our complete package. That way, you'll have no hidden surprises and no hidden fees, and you'll be ready to build. As well as a professional site survey being completed by Your Build Plans site surveyor and the creation of building plans for your project, we will also create the building control drawings that you will need and all the structural calculations that your project will require in order for it to actually get built. That's all your professional services covered, with no hidden fees left to bite you later on. You'll be ready to build. So 3 simple package options. Choose the one that suits you best and instruct us today to help turn your project into a reality. If you have any questions or queries about which is the right package for you and which package you should go for, then call us on free phone 0800 832 1975, Monday to Friday from 8:30 AM until 6 PM, or use the live chat on our website